Welcome to Premier Academy Talk Show. Sharavana.
Morning,
Today,
sir.
good morning, Kanal. Today's topic is what? Zero-based budget. Am I right? The importance of the zero-based budget is applicable for both intermediate and the final. Important theory. Yes, Kanal, please start.
Good morning to everyone. Today we are going to see about zero-based budgeting. A budget is just a monthly or yearly estimate of income and expenses with a list of categories. In other words, or in simple terms, it's just a plan for your money. Zero-based budgeting is a 50-year-old concept. It was introduced in 1970s. When it was introduced, it's just a simple approach that we break budget down into various small categories or packages, and then we decide whether to spend money or not, or what we get if we spend the money, or what we lose if we don't. Where, where now it's much more than budgeting. It now it has a comprehensive approach towards cost and performance management. It allows companies to drive out significant cost in the near term, but more importantly, it helps to allocate the resources to align with their strategic priorities. Looking at the entire company from zero, instead of saying what do I have, or what do I need to reduce, or what do I need to increase, it's it's starting everything with what we need, and that's what, and in that sense it's more powerful. A company may think they know where they are spending their money, time, resources, and where they are making money. But if we really dig into the granular level details, we may discover a number of things that they don't know. So zero-based budgeting in zero-based budgeting, all activities of the company are evaluated from base. The functional budgets starts with the assumption that the function do not exist. It In the system, various activities are evaluated and identified based on the benefits we are obtained from by them. So let's move on to the steps in zero-based budgeting. An organization must have a budgeting system, and each functions of a department should be divided into various activities, and each activity should be considered as a decision packages by the organizations. Activities are to be evaluated from scratch, and the objectives and performance of each activity must be clearly defined and identified. Activities are to be evaluated and ranked based on cost benefit analysis. The costs which were allocated to each activities are to be clearly justified. Activity must be evaluated in terms of benefits achieved by them. And last, the resources will be allocated based on the availability and the ranking of these packages. And we will move on to the advantages of zero-based budgeting. Zero-based budgeting process identifies inefficient operation and wastage in the process. Um, when if Every time if we consider there is an alternative way for doing the same project, and zero-based budgeting helps to identify the same. It is very useful for staff and support areas in organization like research and development, pollution control, or quality control, and it helps in allocating the scarce resources in most efficient way, and in also with the priorities of management. It provides an opportunity to management to allocate resources after doing a cost benefit analysis. And department budgets are closely linked with the corporate objectives. This technique can be also used for the introduction of system of management of objective. Management of objective is a strategic management model which aims to improve the performance of organization by setting a clearly defined objective which is agreed by both the management and employees. It also ensures the various functional undertaken by the organization, which is really a critical one for achieving its objective, and which are really performed well. And next, disadvantages or limitations of zero-based budgeting. Zero-based budgeting is really a time-consuming as well as a costly, as it requires a skilled and trained managerial staff, and also it requires a full support from top management. It also faces various operational problems and complicated. It's very complicated to implement or perform such technique. I like to conclude by saying what gets measured gets managed. Thank you, sir, for this opportunity. Thank you.
Good, Kana. Good. Very good.